also your chance to meet leaders in the health industry, bringing you the hottest treatments available right here in Tampa Bay. And that includes our next guest, advanced cosmetic injector and the founder of Elevate Medical Spa, Tristan Baron. Tristan, it's so nice to meet you.
Great to meet you as well.
So Tristan, talk to me a little bit about when people come in to Elevate, what kind of procedures or what kind of process do you go through to determine what they need done?
Yes, that's a great question. So there are a multitude of factors that contribute to aging. It's not necessarily just one factor. So I take into consideration all those things. So I'm going to look at things such as volume loss. I'm going to look at bone loss. I'm going to look at skin integrity, like any wrinkles, any changes in the skin from sun damage. I'm going to take all those things into consideration, and then I'm going to come up with a game plan that's best suited for them based on the different services that we have to offer.
Yeah, which is great because you need an expert like yourself that kind of has a game plan of what people need so it can look natural, it can look perfect. What are some of the more common aesthetic treatments that people are leaning towards now?
Yeah, so typically in the past, we saw this focus on one problem area, right? People would come in and they said, oh, I don't like my nasolabial folds or the shadowing I have in this area. Can you please help me with that? Well, now we're realizing that we really want to focus on the full face rejuvenation and the facial balancing aspect of it. So we want everything to look harmonized. So if you come in and you're going to tell me you don't like this one area, I might even address your cheeks or your chin. I might even talk about lasers. That might have nothing to do with that area, but they're going to bring the whole picture together so that you look the most natural and enhanced version of yourself versus just focusing on one problem.
I like that. I like that. Are there any misconceptions that people have about anti-aging and just getting procedures?
Oh yeah, definitely. I mean, a lot of people are apprehensive. I think overall the biggest fear is that people feel they're going to look overdone or fake, which is a considerable fear, but really it takes a lot of product to look overdone. Now, if you think about a syringe of filler and we're to squirt it out, it's about the size of a blueberry, which is pretty small, and maybe we're using a couple of syringes of filler, we're strategically placing them in different areas of the face to create this harmonized look, and it's pretty difficult to look overdone. So as long as you're going to an experienced injector, someone that has a trained eye and they know what they're doing, you're really going to be in good hands and not look overdone or fake.
Yeah, because you can always start in one place and then build upon it if need be, right? You don't have to go right to the end result. You can start a natural progression by establishing a relationship with somebody like yourself.
Yes, that's our key. We always offer complimentary consultations, so we're trying to get people in our door. We want to have realistic conversations with them and take a journey approach where we're not trying to fix everything at once. We want to see them come back throughout the year and keep working on their goals.
And what are some of the procedures that you personally recommend the most?
Oh, that's tricky because I definitely believe in a combination of therapies to get that holistic approach. But if I had to pick just one, I would say Sculptra is our shining star.
Okay.
Sculptra is a great procedure because it's actually just injections that increase collagen production in your own skin. So it's a very gradual, natural approach. It's great for somebody who's new to anything in aesthetics and they just want to start out with something natural. It's going to give you this beautiful glow. It's going to help tighten and brighten your skin, but also build volume by building that collagen.
So you can help people with the texture of their skin and also the anti-aging, kind of wiping away those years.
Yes, literally Sculptra is like the fountain of youth because it kind of turns back the clock and it does all those things with one treatment.
Well, I have to say, if you're an example of your amazing work, then people have a lot to look forward to. So thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you. It's a pleasure.
Absolutely. To schedule a complimentary consultation or appointment in South Tampa or Plant City, visit their website, elevatetpa.com, or just pick up the phone right now and call 813-765-4416. New client specials are available for a limited time. And we are super excited to have Elevate Medical Spa participating in our Bloom Health Expo happening this Saturday from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. inside the Tampa Bay Buccaneers Advent Health Training Center. We hope to see you there. We'll be back with more Bloom right after this.
The preceding portion of Bloom was sponsored by Elevate Medical Spa.